English sentences for kids. Do it fast. Do it fast. Don't pull the hair. Don't pull the hair. That one. That one. This one. This one. Taste it. Taste it. Make the bed. Make the bed. Water the plants. Water the plants. Give her. Give her. Give him a book. Give him a book. Be careful. Be careful. Run fast. Run fast. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a sip. Take a sip. Don't move. Don't move. Try again. Try again. Write down. Write down. Come in. Come in. Go out. Go out. Don't jump. Don't jump. I don't know. I don't know. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Listen to me. Listen to me. Look here. Look here. Wake up. Wake up. Eat it. Eat it. Tidy up. Tidy up. I am playing. I am playing. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. I am feeling hot. I am feeling hot. Pick it up. Pick it up. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. I think so. I think so. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV.
Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Give me the chocolate. Give me the chocolate. Come here. Come here. Go there. Go there. Come in. Come in. Run fast. Run fast. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't do. Don't do. Take a sip. Take a sip. Clean the table. Clean the table. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Be happy. Be happy. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Comb your hairs. Comb your hairs. Don't shout. Don't shout. Play with this. Play with this. Finish your breakfast. Finish your breakfast. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Take your gift. Take your gift. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Don't fight with your brother. Don't fight with your brother. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Listen to me. Listen to me. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. Speak softly. Speak softly. Water the plants. Water the plants. Don't spill the water. Don't spill the water. Share your toys. Share your toys. Clean your room. Clean your room. Give me the pencil. Give me the pencil. Put on your jacket. Put on your jacket. Don't leave the toys on the floor. Don't leave the toys on the floor. Take your lunch box. Take your lunch box. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Don't run inside. Don't run inside. Do your homework. Do your homework. Look at me. Look at me. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. Take a bath. Take a bath. Roll up your sleeves. Roll up your sleeves.